On today's IRS tax refund update, with the 2025 tax season underway, we will take a look at the latest developments, including the date for the next round of tax refunds scheduled to be released by the IRS. And from there, we will recap the main cause of refund holds impacting many of our viewers and the timeline in which they should be seeing those refunds released, as well as taking a look at some other causes of refund delays and available tax filing options. Starting off with the latest, as the next round of direct deposit tax refunds is scheduled for release on February 3rd. Now, depending on your bank, you may actually see that refund direct deposited into your bank account before that date. However, if you chose to have your tax filing fees directly taken out of your refund, in most cases, you will need to wait until that date before seeing that direct deposit post your bank account, as the IRS sends your refund to your tax filing processor, who in turn releases it to you after deducting the appropriate fees. And as an additional reminder, not all refund status results update in a timely manner. So make sure to check your tax transcript and locate the 846 refund code to confirm if you are part of this latest refund batch. Now, we have had many viewers reach out to us who have already filed their tax returns and have claimed either the earned income tax credit or additional child tax credit, inquiring on when they can expect to see their refund. And as a reminder, if you are claiming either one of those credits, you must wait until mid-February to see that refund released due to federal law. But to avoid ongoing confusion, if you are just claiming the child tax credit, also known as CTC, you are not impacted by this hold, as only the additional child tax credit portion is subject to a hold under the PATH Act. Now, recapping some causes of those refund delays, aside from the PATH Act, include the need to complete ID verification, which in most cases is a completely random process in which the IRS will ask you to verify both your identity as well as information on your tax return. And in most cases, the process can be completed online in a matter of minutes. Other causes include the need for the IRS to complete wage and tax withholding verification, which is the process the IRS verifies what your employer reported on their tax returns and compares it to what you entered for accuracy. And additional causes of refund delays include instances where the IRS computer system has detected a possible error with your tax return, such as an entry error often requiring additional review before the return can proceed with processing. So it is important to monitor your tax transcripts. And if you locate codes such as the 570 or 810 codes, that does indicate a potential issue with the tax return in question. For those viewers looking to file their federal tax returns for free, there are several options available, such as Free Tax USA, that you may want to consider, or the IRS Free Direct File System, which was introduced last year and now has expanded eligibility to those tax filers living in 25 states, including Arizona, California, Florida, Illinois, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, and Texas, among others. Now, if you file a simple tax return and have W-2 income or receive Social Security, unemployment benefits, interest, or retirement income, you can in fact use this filing option as well as if you are claiming the earned income tax credit, child tax credit, student loan interest, or educator expenses. This is an option you may want to consider, especially if you're looking to pay those unnecessary filing fees that several of the big filing companies charge. Now, it was also announced that nearly 1 in 5 eligible tax filers do not claim the earned income tax credit because they didn't know about the credit or did not realize they qualify for it, which is the tax credit available to some tax filers with qualified children who meet certain eligibility criteria, such as having earned income, having investment income below a certain limit, and the credits can range up to $4,328 for one qualifying child, $7,152 for 2 qualifying children, and $8,046 for 3 or more qualifying children. So it is important to check the IRS website to see if you meet the criteria for claiming this credit. And if you do claim this credit in particular, just note, due to federal law, the refund will be on hold until mid-February to give the IRS additional time to review eligibility of the credit claims. Let us know in the comment section below about your ongoing tax issue. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.